Alright, since that last file closed on me, I figured, well, we can go, like, create a new one. Well, hold on a minute. Okay, our test project, hit projects just to make sure our test project is still selected, but let me create a new drawing. Maybe I'll try to save this one first. Yeah, 'cause I don't think I tried saving that one before we created all that stuff on it. Okay, here we go. So, anyway, start with our base, and I gotta find the model, which is our Lego. Okay, and remember, our scale was going to be like what, 3 to 1, or yeah, I think 3 to 1 is what I had it ultimately set to. So I'll place that here. Okay, and then well, hold on a minute. Let's start again. But let's start with yeah, that's good. So we'll place that, and come over here, come up here, and come here and hit create. Now let's try to save this right now. Okay. Alright. So at least we wouldn't have to start completely from scratch next time, because I still haven't finished dimensioning it, so I wanted to recreate this, but do just a simple quick file that allows us to start again. I guess we'll put some detailed views in here. Circle smooth. Bingo. Oh, wait a minute. And scale, make it like smaller, 5 to 1. Okay, voila. And let's see. Now he did try talking about this auxiliary thing, which apparently you can create views at odd angles and stuff like that by clicking that, but I don't know how it works, and I don't know if I can get it to work with because it's not really doing anything. So they had some oddball parts on his drawing. Anyway, I think that'll do it.